Depending on your bike and preference, there are numerous types of e-bike stands to choose from. After getting feedback from experts and e-bike enthusiasts, we've compiled this guide to review the top e-bike stands that we sell, from regular e-bike stands for storage to e-bike repair stands. The bike floor type rack stand has a patented and simple push-in design for a quick and easy push-in system. Unlike the other bike stands where you need to lift your bike and put it into, this rack has a front holder that will tilt when you push your bike into the rack. The patented and amazing design is ideal for heavy bikes like beach, mountain, and downhill bikes. Features of the bike floor type rack stand: powder-coated steel, single bike holder, awarded the Patent Design Award, best rack for expensive bikes to prevent touching and scratches, has a rubber protected base that's ideal for indoor wood floors. It's foldable and portable, has superb and durable quality with a stunning finish. The bike floor parking storage rack stand has a freestanding floor that's ideal when you still need the flexibility to move your bike around, whether in your bike store, garage, or at a race. It's also a patent design awarded with a fully adjustable 2 pulleys design and an adjustable position. The stand can fit any bike with wheel sizes ranging from 24 to 29 inch and requires a simple slide-in, and you're all set even for the fat bikes with 4.0 tires. Features of the bike floor parking storage rack stand: it's ideal for timber or cement floor. Solid powder-coated steel frame with a rubber-protected base. Comes with a 1 bike holder with the required assembly tool included. Perfect for any high-end bike. 2 pulleys design with an adjustable position. A portable bike repair stand is a budget option that you can use on the go. It's a light, strong, portable e-bike repair stand made of full light alloy aluminum with heavy-duty plastic and a strong head with clamps for easy bike maintenance. It's durable and approved by trusted repair shops and cyclists. Features of the portable bike repair stand: the body is full of alloy aluminum. The height comes with a quick release and adjustable 1M5M that's fully extended. The head is 360 degrees rotated. It comes with a foldable degree tool plate. The bike repair rack stand with quick release boasts quality performance with premium steel tubing and a soft but durable plastic clamp. It comes with a quick release telescoping frame that provides you with universal convenience thanks to the top performing materials at an affordable level. Features of the bike repair rack stand: easy assembly and setup. Comes with a quick release steel clamp. Can hold a maximum of 66 pounds. Has triangle feet to keep it stable. It's made of durable material. The tray can hold the tools when mending your bike. The tool tray has a built-in magnetic compartment to keep your tools and nuts secure. It's foldable for easy storage and transportation. It has an adjustable handlebar rod that stabilizes the front wheel. The adjustable bike repair stand has a 360-degree rotatable clamp and height-adjustable body. The clamp has a lever that can hold your e-bike steadily with an adjustable height to ensure your waist is comfortable as you work. It also has a durable aluminum alloy barrel that's lighter, easy to carry, no corrosion, and easy storage. Features of the adjustable bike repair stand: comes with a 360-degree rotatable clamp and height-adjustable body. Made of a durable aluminum alloy barrel. The tool tray is magnetized. The front wheel will not shake. It has a super steady triangle base with rubber feet. If you're looking for stable bike stands for heavy and high-end bikes such as mountain, beach, and downhill e-bikes, be sure to have a look at Electric Bike Paradise store. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. Our able team will be happy to help.